Alright, here's my PowerFlite transmission. I just disassembled. Never worked on one before in my life, or any automatic transmission for that matter, on the inside. Got a manual, and I've taken it apart slowly and marked and photoed and took everything down as it was supposed to. Didn't find much of anything along the way that would make it not shift into drive. It would shift into drive and then slip out of gear, and then I couldn't get anything but neutral, and then I could go back down to low. It would pull, but then as soon as I went to drive, it would go in and then slip out. Didn't see anything wrong with the bands. There's that one, there's that one. Pumps. Nothing. Do a good cleanup on the governor. There's the servo piston, drums. There's the valve body. Pretty simple. Front pump. And then I found this when I took the direct clutch pack apart. I'm not real good on transmissions, but I know there's supposed to be a steel and a fiber disc, which these should be the steels. They're thick. These little thin ones was a fiber piece that goes in between every steel, and then another clutch disc with no fiber whatsoever left on it. Just been running metal to metal, every one. Even though I didn't have much stuff in the pan, it had been taken off and cleaned out maybe 6 months ago, and there wasn't a whole lot in it this time when I took it out, but pretty obvious that is going to be my problem. Only other thing I found that I'm not sure on, this piece that goes into the converter, from the front pump to the converter. You can see those notches there. That thing is show you get back around here where those go together. You can see that it's real rough looking. I don't know if that was originally supposed to be up there. Now it's worn down and down to there, but that's something I'll probably have to find some hard parts on some kind of donor car. Anyway, needs a good cleanup, service everything, get me a rebuild kit. Hopefully should be back running in no time.